Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can repost someone's Instagram story through your own. So there are two ways to do this. You can share someone's Instagram story through your own story when you're tagged in that exact story, but also when you're not tagged in that exact story. And in this video I'm going to show you guys both ways. So in the case of you being tagged in that exact story, now what you can simply do is go right here to the top right corner of your screen when you're at the home page, and you will probably get a notification that you are mentioned in that story that you want to repost. What you simply do is you want to click on it, and then you can see literally right here that it says add to your story. And I can do this because I am tagged in this story, meaning that I can add this story to my own story by simply clicking on this button, and then of course on the arrow right here and clicking on share, and then done. And if I now look at my own story, I can see that I shared this story on my own story, and then I click on it, it will immediately bring me to that exact story, as you guys can see. So yeah guys, that's the first method. But now, how can you share someone's story if you are not tagged into it? For example, Kylie Jenner, I want to share this story to my own story. Well, what you can simply do is hold down the screen, and then what you want to do is you want to make sure to take a screenshot of this story by holding the volume button up and the power button just like this. And then what you can simply do is click on the plus to add a new story, and you want to make sure to click the screenshot you just did. And what you then want to do is you want to make sure to zoom it out a bit, and what you can also do to make it even better is scroll up it a little bit in order to not show the bar on the bottom side and on the top side, but that's really obvious of course. Then what you want to do is you want to make sure to add some text, and you want to tag that exact person you actually you are trying to repost. For example, Kylie Jenner, which is of course really obvious, just like this. And they can simply choose Kylie Jenner. And then what you want to do is you want to make sure to crop that a little bit down. And if you actually crop the actual story a little bit, it will actually look quite good. And that person will also get a notification that you tagged them in their story, which they can also repost again. And so that's how you can repost someone's Instagram story through your own. If you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.